Alright guys, thank you for checking out this video. Like and share, help me to grow this channel. I apologize if my cameras are a little shaky. So this is Pavillon Mall. Just a walk around Pavillon Mall. It's a nice mall, it's well kept. It has a lot of nice stores. The key place on the right. The camera is really shaky. I'm sorry about that. Yeah. You have to be careful when you're videoing as well, because you don't want to get someone in the video and then they get angry at you. So that's why sometimes I have to move the video when I see someone. So that's why I think that's why you're seeing it's going to be a little shaky. But yeah, Pavillon Mall. Yeah, a lot of little nice stores here. I came to get a key cut. It's in a pretty good central location as well. What else can I say about this mall? It's clean. That's for sure. It's well kept. It's been around for a while. It's one of those, malls been around for a minute. There's a lot of stores for clothing. I think they have a little bit of everything. There's barber shop in there, hair salon. If you want to buy some clothes, that's there. Bookstore. There's even an internet cafe. If you don't have a computer, you want to print out things, email things, they have that there as well. What else can I say about Pavillon? They have pretty decent parking as well. Underground, I'd recommend the underground parking if you go there. Their underground parking is pretty good. There's some restaurants there, some phone stores as well as there. Guys, make sure you like this video. Like and subscribe. Help me to grow this channel. I'm a young YouTuber trying to get this channel off the ground. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't do it without you guys. Every little bit counts. So like and share. Like, subscribe, comment, help me to grow this channel so I can make it better, more professional. But for now, I'm just starting off. So right now, I'm an amateur, so that's why you see the camera kind of shaky. Yeah, but I'm committed to putting in the work. So, once you put in the work on something, it'll work out. You will get better at what you're doing. What else can I say? I guess this lady here is waiting to go into the bookstore. It's kind of early.
And people, so said, so done. Increase the time in which persons are going.
What else? Yeah, that's about it. You guys just check out the video. I don't want to over talk. All right, so just like, comment, let me know what I could do better. Subscribe, help me to grow this channel. Thanks, guys. This is the end. This is around the end of the video. This is when they're walking around somewhere. This is around the end. There's a food court straight ahead. Food court's a good size. Downstairs, there's a barber shop. A lot of clothing stores in this mall. There's a lot of clothing stores in Jamaica. There's a Total gas station. There's another little plaza across the street. So we're going. I like the open concept at this mall. I like that it's open, you know. I like the open concept. Like you're outside, but you're still inside. I kind of like that. Yeah, a lot of places to buy gear, you know, a lot of clothing stores in Pavillon. Yeah. All right, guys. Like, subscribe, comment.